To change the background color of your current Galaxy Watch face from Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch face. Next, tap customize button below your current watch face. Tap background, and then select the desired background color you like to use. As the example, we will select purple. Tap save to save the change. As you can see, now your Galaxy Watch face is using the selected color, in this case purple, as the background color. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.